Jetpack Compose UI Series EP4. Glassmorphism Signup Screen using Canva Background Design. This code is used to navigate between login and signup screens using navcontroller.navigate in Jetpack Compose. Set the background image using image and fill max size. Create a soft transparent card with modern glassmorphism styling. Create composable fun glass text field for full name and email. Create composable fun glass password field for password using Glassmorphism UI. Add terms and privacy checkbox row with clickable text. Add spacer for proper spacing. Create a Glassmorphism sign up button. Add a divider for section separation. Create a social media row layout. Add login text to navigate to the login page. This is the login screen of episode 3, where we navigate to the sign up screen by clicking the sign up text. Now we will fill all fields and test the sign up screen. We navigate to the login screen by clicking the login text. Tip: our modern sign-up screen is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Jetpack Compose UI tutorials.